In today's video, I'm going to show you quickly how you can share Calendly link. So this is really easy to do. And the first step is you want to be signed in your account. Then you want to open scheduling and you want to find your meeting for which you want to share this link. So let's say I have this new meeting, you want to hover your mouse on it and you have a couple of options how you can share your link. So you have offer time slots. So if you click on it, so from here you can copy time slot suggestions and paste them into an email message to share your availability. So you can choose your dates. That is the first option. Then you can share availability. So from here you can send a link to email or also Outlook. So you can connect email or Outlook and you can send a link through those two options. Or you can also create a single use link. If you click on it, you can add your details over here. And then if you click on create and copy link, it's going to create this link. And now if you paste it, you can send it to whoever you want. I'm going to show you this meeting. And the last thing, you have this large copy link button. So if you click on it, it's going to copy your link. And then you can send your link to whoever you want. And that's basically it. This is how you can share your Calendly link. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.